Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Apple ID used for the old backup and unlocking two-factor verification. This proves ownership, so Apple will allow the restore. Once done, make sure your device runs a compatible iOS version and has enough free space. Restores fail if storage is insufficient. Plug into power and join a reliable Wi-Fi network. Then go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset Device to start the erase and restore flow. This initiates the actual download of the chosen iCloud backup. Once your device restarts into the Setup Assistant, you will be prompted to restore from iCloud Backup. Choose the backup by date and device name so you don't pick a newer or wrong set of data. You'll see a progress bar. Keep the phone on Wi-Fi and power. Large backups can take hours. During the process, you may be asked to sign back into your Apple ID and individual app accounts. This restores secure data like health and keychain properly, so follow prompts carefully. After the initial restore completes, apps and media will continue downloading in the background. Be patient and leave the device connected until all content finishes. You should immediately verify key items, photos, messages, contacts, health data, and system settings to confirm the backup included them. If something is missing, try signing out and back into iCloud or perform the restore again from the same backup. If interruptions persist or the backup appears corrupted,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.